Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing at-home COVID testing. In a recent article from the FDA, FDA.gov, it's a press release. It's titled Coronavirus COVID-19 Update. FDA authorizes antigen test as first over-the-counter, fully at-home diagnostic test for COVID-19. This was released December 15th, 2020. Quoting directly, today the U.S. Food and Drug Administration issued an emergency use authorization, EUA, for the first over-the-counter OTC fully at-home diagnostic test for COVID-19. The Ellume COVID-19 home test is a rapid lateral flow antigen test, a type of test that runs a liquid sample along a surface with reactive molecules. The test detects fragments of proteins of the SARS-CoV-2 virus from a nasal swab sample from any individual 2 years of age or older. So the reason I'm making this video is I had somebody send me this and they actually said, do I think it'd be possible that, Thai, for example, the Thai embassy that might be processing a visa application, or Thai authorities on arrival here in Thailand, or for fit to fly documentation would allow an at-home test? It remains to be seen. This is certainly really, really new. So whether or not this is going to be approved, I think we're not going to know for some time. But I mean, if it proves to be an effective test, I could see a scenario playing out where possibly, yeah, maybe Thai immigration does accept an at-home test result as being sufficient for getting, for example, sufficient fit-to-fly documentation to be able to come to Thailand. That said, really early days on something like this. This is just coming out. I don't think it's safe to presume anything at the moment, but it's certainly an interesting development that there is this in-home, at-home test option available, and perhaps in the future we may be seeing it in wider and wider use.